Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to install the insulation, some of them. Probably I want to finish the roof. So I have some rigid foam panel, the same material as the spray foam. They are 40mm thick with aluminium sheet on each side. I'm going to use those in the roof. And for those areas where it's difficult to use rigid panels, like inside the frames, beams, and those cavities right here, for those I'm gonna use the recycled PET insulation wool, which is very soft. You can cut it with scissors and stuff in there pretty easily. I'm gonna use the method that I saw on a video made by the restoration couple. I link the video up here. They used a method with plywood strips attached to the roof frame beams like this, and the insulation lives between. I really like it, so I'm going to do the same. This is 12mm plywood, and this is 15mm plywood. This is poplar. It's very light and cheap. That's why I'm using this. I need two thickness because one beams of the roof is slightly lower than the others. I don't know why, really. It's not just my van. I found others with these problems. To compensate and to end up with a straight roof, one of the plywood strip it's a little bit thinner. So I hope from now on the audio quality of my videos are getting better, because as you can see I have a microphone now. It's been really a challenge for me, learning how to do those things, and also learning how to talk to a camera, you know. I'm not used to it, and I'm still learning. I'm not really confident, but I will get there. But my main goal here in this channel is to give you guys my way to build this van. I'm sure it's gonna help somebody, because I did the same before starting this project. I watched many videos of van build series, and you know, so yeah, if you like the video, please give me a thumbs up and follow the channel to support me. And now let's get started. My back. Some of the insulation here is done inside the upper corners, and on the back here I had to route some pipes for all the wires, you know. Okay guys, I think I found a way to mount those plywood strips in the easiest way possible. So basically what I'm doing is I'm marking the holes where they are on the side, so I can see from like this. Then on each board I'm marking the middle with a pencil like this, and also a middle line on this way. Then I'm using a 4mm drill to pre-drill the hole for the screw, and then countersink the screw a little bit in. And then I put some Sikaflex on top, put the first screw in the middle, check with the other one here that they are parallel to each other. So after making sure it's parallel, based on those marks, I start to pre-drill all the screw holes and countersink them, and then I screw in the actual screw. Let me show you. Very strong. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Very nice straight line. Okay guys, as you can see, the plywood is fixed. It's very strong. I can lift myself up. I've put also those pieces here, so I can make also this part right here all the way through. I didn't put anything here and in this one and this one because it's a little bit difficult. I will figure something out later in the process. I mounted this one, which is the reference for the partition wall, so that will sit against this one, so I have you know, a line to follow. And I still need to put something up here before I can start to insulate. Let's continue. Okay, so this is done. I had to put the first 2 screws, and then with a straight line from the others, I basically bend it and screw it in. I had to put some wedges here because this part right here is not vertical, it's a little bit of an angle, and I put Sikaflex underneath. So I stop here because this is the point where it starts to bend. It's just a reference point, you know, for the insulation. Then I will spray foam inside here and also right here, and then put the insulation in, and the spray foam will expand and grip on the insulation board and hold it in place. So let me bring some panels and start cutting them. So today I started taping the pipes on the roof so they do not move. I still have left the back section and the front, and then all the sides, but one step at a time, right? I put this pipe here for the mid-section light, which most of the people use pocket lights, but I don't really like them. Not because they're not nice. I like the look of a pocket light, but I do not like how it illuminates the floor, the room. So probably I'm going to use strip LED, and I'm gonna put one in the middle, just from where the bed finish, which is around here. Okay, I finally finished this part here. It was a bit difficult because all the pipes. I'm thinking now to cover this void with the tape, the aluminum foil tape, and then use a little bit of spray foam underneath to fill the gap. Hopefully it will work, and then if it is working, I'm going to do the same for the other box here. So what you're hearing now, it's a common thing in most of the small towns in Italy. Basically, it's the bell tower of the church telling people that it's midday, so it's time to get lunch. And it's particularly loud and long because it's Sunday today. So actually, let me show you. I think I need to put a piece of wood here, so it helps keeping this pipe up, because it's really pushing down and it's too much. Okay guys, so for today it's enough. I will continue to insulate those parts right here. I did a little bit today, but I still need to finish. You will see in the next video all that part finished. Then I left open this section here because I want to build the partition wall first and then insulate. So the partition wall will sit against this beam, and that's probably the next video. So thank you for watching guys. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to keep up with the build. If you have any question, leave it in the comment section below. And yeah, thank you for watching again, and see you next time. Bye. Here we go guys. I didn't put anything here because okay.